Good afternoon, brother. How are you? Good afternoon, Water. What's up, bro? 𝗩𝗏𝗡, what's up? How's everyone doing? Let me know in the chat. Can everyone hear me okay? Let me know. Afternoon, Jaffe. What's up, bro? Let me know if you guys can hear me in the stream. What's up, J-boy? How you doing, brother? All good, all good. Good afternoon. How's everyone doing today? You guys got into any trades? What's up, Jack? Up 500, so all good. Amazing, bro. What did you trade? Sound is good. Good sound. Amazing, amazing. What did you trade, Wooda? Afternoon, Amanda. Oh, that's good, J-boy. I'm good, bro. I'm good. BTC short. Nice. 31 Celsius in the UK. That's crazy, bro. 𝗍𝗑𝗏 King, what's going on, bro? Let's go Prince Thomas III. Sound as an echo. Gold long, tire long, virtual long. Nice, you're longing everything. You're longing everything. How many of you guys joined my webinar this morning and got some nice education? Let me know. What did you guys think? No echo, just a couple of kings, 100%, bro. Let's jump in to what's been happening news-wise. We had unemployment claims, which came up. 215k, forecast was 218, so it came up pretty bullish by around 3k. Previous was 217. We just have existing home sales, natural gas storage, and 30-year bond auction. Nothing really too impactful, so not too worried about any of that. Tomorrow we've got basically nothing. We've got PPI on JPY, so maybe some of the JPY pairs will be moving a bit. But to be honest with you, all low impact news, I don't see any problem in the next 2 days. Yeah, non-event really, yeah, nothing really. No time, need to work. I'm not sure what that
It's not about the
no time, need to. Unfortunately, King Azuli doesn't have a mic today. We've cut him off.
Good afternoon, everyone. What is going on?
I had to drag this piece of shit to the stream. He didn't want to stream with me. He said he's had enough of me in the last 2 days. He's sick of me.
To be honest, I personally called it a week on Tuesday afternoon, and yeah, so taking a couple of days off, like I should. Market's quiet. I recommend it to all my boys to take a couple of days off, stay out of the market. Not being in the market is being in a position, so why the fuck not?
100%. So let's look at what's happened in the last couple of hours. I spoke to all of you about how you can tell when sellers or buyers have stepped in the webinar. So what we're looking at right now on GBP/USD is that we've closed bearish on the 4-hour. We've met our 50% of our zone, and now price is looking to transact lower. Now what I would say for GU is that at the moment we have our TCM level just below where price is transacting at the moment. To look for shorts right now would be pretty risky. If we did look for shorts, it would have to be around maybe this 38, our 50 MA. I'm sure we could take previous leg, -27. It looks pretty decent. But to be honest with you, I don't really want to short into the zone right now, just because of the fact that... Huh? So, let's see. Let me just check the daily right now. What is the daily doing? So, I think this daily candle is going to close bearish. If you look at the daily at the moment, we have come up to this 50% and price is looking to transact lower. We have broken the 50 MA on the 15-minute time frame. And now what I'm looking for is maybe a retracement into that 50 MA. Once we get something like that, that could be pretty clean. Bruh. So what I'll wait for is, it looks like we've actually hit the 38 already. And we've hit our -27. So what we can do is, if we have a bearish close here, we could look to short, and we could look to have quite a tight stop loss. We could look to have something like this. No man, what the fuck? This would be what I would be looking at. Please go over Nads. I'll sleep for the webinar. No problem, bro. No problem. So GU, I could honestly look for a short pretty soon. I think on this, we could take the 50% of this candle and look for a short on GU. So let's take a close, keep a close eye on that. EU, we just retested TCM +1. Decent. No, I wouldn't really look to get into EU right now. It's pretty trash. GJ at the moment, I also honestly think is pretty bearish. I think we could get into quite a nice short on GJ if price. You both hit the gym. Yeah, bro, I hit the gym. 𝗙𝗧𝗎𝗍 also hits the gym sometimes. We'll go over Nas very soon. GA honestly has been looking the cleanest for me, to be very, very frank with you guys. I would want GA to come to around the 61.8 level. Or 38 could be pretty clean, but 61.8 would be where I would want to short from. 61.8, we take something like this, so 1.93. Let's just go like that. So yeah, 1.93347. Description box says Thomas is flying solo. Yeah, I was supposed to fly solo, but 𝗙𝗧𝗎𝗍 couldn't have enough of me. So, shame. He was missing me too much. Naz.
𝗪𝗹𝗡 حبيبي كيفك?
King, how much you bench? Not a lot, I'll tell you that.
Tell them what I am. Tell them I'm a Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu purple belt.
Oh my god. Nasdaq, honestly, I could long Nasdaq pretty soon, to be very honest with you. I'll long Nasdaq maybe if we can get a retest. So our 4-hour candle closes in the next 17 minutes. So there could be possibility. If we close above this 50 MA on the 4-hour, I think we could be looking to transact a little bit higher.
What chart does he want in the Discord? He's asking for a chart in the Discord.
Could you? I think he's asking for the trades. I I'm waiting for GU. What's GU doing? Yeah, GU's gonna come soon now. But Nasdaq, I actually like this closure on Nasdaq. If we can close above in the next 17 minutes, what we can do is look for something like this. I'll look maybe to long the 50% of Nasdaq, to be honest with you.
What price are you looking to short GU?
GU, I'm looking to short GU at around, I would say, yeah, I would say around here. Oh shit. I would say probably this, either the 61.8, where's the average price movement? Yeah, maybe just above there, I would say. This could be a nice price, to be honest with you. Huh? Only, I kind of like that 61.8 though.
You're looking at the, so you have this one, Thomas. You have this one, right?
Yeah, banking.
You have the 27, you have the MA, you have
Yeah. So what we can do is we could look for a short at around,
Plus you have head and shoulders.
yeah, at 1.34028. So 1.3430 we could, yeah, 1.34030. I'm gonna look for a short on GBP USD. 1.34030. I think could be a clean one, and we can just, yeah, this looks good. Looks clean. Why not?
Tell them about the broker, Thomas.
So guys, next week we have secured a forex broker for all of you guys. Next week we're gonna do a live stream where we're gonna show you guys all how to set up an account, and we're gonna all take a trade together live. And yeah, we've got a really good broker for you guys. Super reliable,
And
great.
we managed to get them bonuses.
Yeah, and the best part about it is that you guys will all get a 30% deposit bonus on every on your first deposit.
Plus, so basically we organized this broker for you guys. It's a KYC, but here's the catch. The way we played it is that you can deposit crypto from a wallet and you can withdraw to a wallet. So even though it's KYC, but basically it does not exist. You know what I mean? So you can deposit crypto, withdraw crypto. You can do that through a non-KYC account, and then it's for all around the world. You can use it to, for UK, for everything. So
It's actually best for EU people.
So you register, you deposit through crypto through a wallet, and then that's where it comes. The catch is that you need to have a non-KYC, so you don't have to get tracked down. So therefore, we made sure that you guys don't have to pay any taxes on.
You can also trade forex. I mean crypto.
And you can trade everything. Plus, we're working now on a prop firm where we can get you a discount where you can trade crypto and forex on the prop firm. So we're trying to get everything in one, and yeah, then we can start going hard at the market, doing challenges and all of that.
100%. So yeah, if you guys want to short,
it's scalpx. It's scalpx.
yeah, if you guys want to short GBP USD with me, I'm gonna short at around 1.34030. That's where I'm gonna be shorting from. Let me know, everyone in the chat, if you, I can put the numbers next to me. I'm the first one to join, bros. 100%. Okay, so there's entry and stop loss. You guys should be able to see it pretty clearly. I can make it black even, if that's clearer. No problem, bro. I'm glad you guys all enjoyed the webinar. I had everyone loving what was going on the webinar. So that's the entry 1.34028, 1.34128 for the stop loss. So let's see what we can get. Let's look at DXY. Does DXY support what we want to do? DXY does. To be honest with you, DXY does. We are on our TCM -1. If we can hold this level, it will be good for GU. It'll be very, very good for GU. Very, very. Yeah, it's looking clean, guys. I like this trade quite a lot. Afternoon, Thomas. Can't seem to connect to the Discord morning call. I don't know what's cracking. I'm setting... What you guys can do is you can set a limit if you want. Or you can wait for the engulfing. Depends. Let's set this limit. So I'm just going to set this limit quick. You must risk 3.3%, guys. Just remember that. So don't be a hero and risk ridiculous amounts. So yeah, guys, let's see how this goes. I like risk low. Fair enough. Fair enough. Fair enough. I like this trade quite a lot. Let's check NASDAQ. You know what? NASDAQ, when's market opens already happened. We can long NASDAQ very soon, I think. My thing about NASDAQ right now, though, is if... Oh, this place is like a fuck. Aircon is making this place like a... I'm living in an eczema. I'm living like an eczema right now. It's like an icebox in here. But I think what we need is if we don't close above, so if price on NASDAQ doesn't do something like that, I'm not really that interested, to be honest. Because we might then just hold the 50 MA on the 4 hour. And then that could be pretty risky. You know what you guys can do is you can split your risk. So what you can do is something like this. You can have one entry at 134.028 and then have one entry at 134.065 and then split your risk in between two. That's what I'm going to do. Split your risk. And then if we get tagged in on the first trade, done 500x on US Tech. It's nice, bro. Interesting. Bro, we've done like 50... We've done like 50 RR on NASDAQ in the last 3 days, so it's been pretty good. We've been smashing Sorry, not 50 RR. We've done 50%. We've done about 15 RR on NASDAQ. So look, NASDAQ is looking, I think NASDAQ's quite bullish, to be honest with you. I would like to long NASDAQ pretty soon. I just want to see how this 4-hour candle closes, and then we can look to long NASDAQ.
Go to my chart. NASDAQ.
If you guys remember, I've mentioned the pullback target, the yellow target, at the beginning of the week. I told you NASDAQ need to come and hit the pullback target, and once it hit the pullback target, there is no stopping. So once we hit this, we are going to here, and this is what we're seeing right now. Then market is just going to continue going up to here. So any pullback opportunity you get on NASDAQ, I would recommend you get at the back of it. Plus you have the TCM levels that you can use soon. So guys, what we're gonna do also is that I've discussed it with Thomas. If when we get the broker and all of that, for all the people that will sign up, they will get all the indicators for free. So what we're doing is we trying to get all the indicators done, make sure the broker is good for you guys, the prop firm and all of that, and then we're all gonna give it to you in one, and then you can have some powerful tools. Plus we're gonna do the 3 days education, where we'll show you how to use the indicators and all of that. So very exciting times ahead, boys.
100%. You guys are not ready for what we're about to give you. You guys are gonna love it. You guys are going to love it. Could you post GBP on my Discord? Yeah, I can post it. I'm not trading BTC, to be honest with you, today. I'm not gonna lie. I'll look at it now though. I just want to post this for you guys on the Discord.
Just show them the potential BTC shorts.
Guys, I'm not gonna give a massive explanation because I don't have time to do that while we're streaming, but everyone that's on the webinar will understand what I'm doing. And you can read the entries off the chart, like, it's not that hard.
Just show them BTC on my chart.
So BTC at the moment, if we go to the 4-hour, where we're looking to short BTC, would it be around 63,510? Would be a level that we're looking to short BTC. We've seen quite a nice rejection of our TCM level in the 50% of this candle. Quite nice. Fucking, I don't even know what this. Yeah, beautiful rejection of 50% in TCM. Looking clean to the upside. So if we're looking to short, we'll most likely look for shorts at around 63,510 on BTC. So So yeah, 63,510 would be a good level to short BTC. So 63,510. Gold's bullish, bro. Gold is fucking bullish as fuck. Gold there was quite a nice opportunity. I think it was last night or the night before for gold. It's looking pretty clean. Check GU. So GBP/USD is coming close now to our first entry. It's gonna tap us in quite soon. So again, you can split your risk between both trades. So just have like 1.5% on each trade, and then if, let's say for example, this trade just gets us in and we don't get in on the second trade, then is what it is. But for these types of weeks, you don't want to go risk heavy on these trades. But I would say for this, it would be quite nice. I mean, both are pretty clean, to be very honest with you. And I think we're quite safe on either or. I think we're pretty safe on either or. So yeah, let's see how that plays out. I've sent it to the Discord now, so let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. GA, what are we doing on GA? I don't think GA will give us our entry we want. Okay, Nasdaq's closing in 2 minutes. 22 seconds. But is it a broker or prop firm? We've secured a broker, and then we looking to secure a prop firm very soon as well. So yeah, are we in? No. Mama, look at that thing just taking the joke. Okay. I think we just want to take this MA. Let's see how it goes, guys. Let's see how it goes. So if you did set a limit, you should be in now. Did King re-enter GJ? I don't think so.
No, I called it a week.
Yeah, let's see how this goes. Looks like price is just fucking ripping. So, did most of you guys set a limit, or are you waiting for the engulfing? Let me know, because I set a limit, to be very honest.
Quotation.
Nice. Okay, so everyone should be on GU. Once we hit like a 1:1.5, 1:1, you guys can look to go break even. Nasdaq, let's see, doing not really anything. We have to wait. I would wait for Nasdaq. What's GU doing? Well, I think we should be pretty safe in our second entry as well, because it's pretty clean. Did you guys split risk over both entries or no? Let me know. See what DXY is doing. Well, that's not good. So DXY is not holding, which is, ooh, that is not good at all. I can tell you that. DXY is not holding that. Just want to see something here. Let's see how this goes. Yeah. Let's see how this goes. No, yeah, gunky. But anyways, guys, that's for GU. Not looking the greatest right now, but is what it is. Let's we can just go break even when if we get into some profit, we'll let it run. But at the moment, the XY is not respecting anything, which means we GU's most likely to just keep transacting to the upside. So yeah. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna end it there. There's nothing really much to chat about besides those two entries. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and we will see you soon. Cheers.